Guys, welcome back to Simply Living and welcome to today's episode. If you're new here, my name is Ibeth and I typically do affordable home decor and DIYs. So today I thought I would share a quick little makeover in our living room just because I feel like our living room has been a little neglected. I am gonna confess, I hate my couch. And I know what you might be thinking, like, girl, you just got this not that long ago. What are you talking about? And I was recommending it. But now that I've had it for 2 years, I feel like it's definitely a big no for me. The reason why I don't like it is because I thought that over time the cushions would soften a bit, and they have not at all. The back cushions are okay. They're not that bad. But the one that you actually sit on, you guys, will not budge at all. It's super hard. It's a hard seat. You're basically kind of bouncy on it, and it's really uncomfortable, to be honest. It's a good and a bad thing for some people. I know I do want my cushions to last a long time and not to get really, lumpy, but I just feel like this is not what it should be. I wanted a more comfortable couch, and at first we thought like, oh, this is really good. We love it, and it's not the best. So what I typically do when I sit on the couch, I always sit in between two cushions because I feel like it's the most comfortable I'll be in if I sit on it. So anyways, aside of that being a big no-no, also we did get this sofa or this sectional at Costco, and of course they are, manufactured in a really quick way, so obviously they're not made perfect. And it's something that bothered me a lot because the L it's not really an L, it's kind of like a V, like a really extended V, because it doesn't sit perfectly like an L. It kind of goes like this, like slightly, and it bothers me, so I hate it. But it's okay because I will be saving money to actually invest in a really good piece. If you want a really good piece that you're gonna love and you're gonna be happy with, and if you're picky like me, then we actually have to invest big bucks on a really good one. And of course, I will be taking you guys on this journey with me. Bear with me. This is gonna be a long one because this was actually an impulse buy. So do as I say, not as I do, and learn from my mistakes, because I've done this many times, and if you follow me for a while, you know that I've done this mistake a few times already, and I'm learning. And it's hurting that I'm learning this, but it's kind of what you do when you're not obviously an expert designer. I'm an aspiring interior designer. I love everything that has to do with home decor, and you guys already know that, and I'm learning, okay? It takes practice to learn what you like and to actually know what is best for you. But anyways, I wanted to take you guys along this quick little makeover in my living room. I need to make it feel like a living room and cozy and just really nice in general, because right now it looks kind of weird. So so this is the living room right now, okay? And I hate it. Like I mentioned before, I hate this sofa. Look. It's too bouncy, you're supposed to sink in it. I think that a sofa is supposed to be comfortable. So I usually just sit in the middle because I sink in and I feel like a lot more cozier. I did add this vase to my coffee table when I did the subtle Halloween episode, and I really love this vase, you guys. Look at how big this beauty is. Oh my gosh. She's gorgeous and really heavy, and these things are very messy. I hate these things because they're super messy, but I love how they look, so it's okay. These also gotta go. These are not soft at all. They're supposed to be soft, and they're supposed to be bigger. These are not big enough. These gotta go. I also wanted to move my plant because I feel like it's cute there, but I need to add a lamp. The key to making your house feel cozy is adding some pillows and maybe a throw and a lamp. Even if you already have lighting in here, you should always have a lamp, because the lamp makes it a little bit more cozier. And we actually have smart light here, which is actually not smart, it's dimmable, so I can actually dim the lights. I don't even need the lamp technically, but it looks better, trust me. This is the bright, and I can obviously dim it, but you need a lamp. you need to have that look. Also, I need to get rid of all this mess because this doesn't scream cozy, okay? This screams messy.
All we do is drive around aimlessly, trying to forget who we want to be, trying to just breathe and be carefree, baby, you and me.
You guys remember this one? I will still never go back to regular mopping. Ever.
I'm sorry that we're not who you want us to be. I'm sorry that we never got a degree. I'm sorry that I'm always feeling me and not you.
Okay, so I actually bought a lamp, and I think that it looks good here, or it will look good here. So I'm gonna move my plant over to the other side. I love my fiddle leaf, you guys, and I'm so proud of it.
I'm sorry that I'm all up in my own head. I'm sorry that we never.
I picked up this lamp from Target, and it's the Recollections, or not Recollections, I'm sorry. That was their old brand. It is the Room Essentials. Oh my gosh. Room Essentials brand, and it's a really cute lamp, you guys. It was only $25, which I think is such a good deal. It's really light. It's not flimsy, it's just really light, and I think that's why a lot of people don't like it. But in my opinion, I think that it's really cute. It's not like you're gonna be moving it around, you know? So I really don't think that. It had a lot of negative reviews, but a lot of good ones as well. So I took my chances. I was like, okay, what's the worst that can happen? If anything, I just returned it. It's like very modern and simple, which is what I like. You guys know that I like simple things. And I felt like my living room felt a little too warm, especially because of this coffee table, which I don't like anymore. I want a whole new living room, but I have what I have, and that's it. I do want a new coffee table just because this one screams too light for me, and I like bold. I like a bright or airy place, but I like bold pieces, as in black. So I got this lamp to bring in a little bit more black details because, like I said, I felt a little too warm, and I want to tie in, of course, the black that I have going on throughout my house, which the black console table, black chairs that we have, black dining chairs, and of course my black, just little black details. And I need to pull it in here because this space felt a little too light. I saw negative reviews about the shade. I agree because it was like literally folded. It didn't have the wire rings on. It was literally folded in the box. The box was like this tiny. And I agree, it is a really cheap lampshade. But the thing with lampshades, you guys, you can always switch them out, which I will do eventually. But as of right now, I'm gonna keep it like this. Or who knows, I can probably just redo this shade, but that would be later because I don't wanna worry about that in DIY right now. This is another find, you guys. I've been eyeing this table for a long time, and I don't know why I waited so long to get it, to be honest. I used to have like a little side ottoman situation here, but like I said, it was white and this color on the top, which I think is gorgeous. Like, I love the whitewash, but it was feeling a little too bright in here, like I mentioned, and I wanted a little bit of black detail. And when I saw this at Target and I saw the reviews, how everyone's, you know, so in love with this table, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so cool, I should go get it. And it went out of stock for a while, and then I was so disappointed, and then they brought it back, and I still doubted. I still thought about it. I was like, wait a minute, but what if I want something else? What if? And what if? And this table was $20, you guys, and I don't know why I just kept waiting and waiting and wasting time, risking for it to go out of stock again. because once things go out of stock, I feel like Target will bring them back and just raise the price a little bit higher, just because they see that it did so well and then it's actually worth a lot more. It's actually pretty heavy for its size and its price, and I'm so in love with it.
All we do is drive around aimlessly, trying to forget who we want to be, trying to just breathe and be carefree, baby, you and me. Head up in the stars, driving fast cars, feeling like we're all we do is drive around aimlessly, trying to forget who we want to be, trying to just breathe and be carefree, baby, you and me. Head up in the stars, driving fast cars, feeling like we're outlaws with our deep scars and our fast cars. I'm sorry that we're not who you want us to be.